Hello and welcome back to Bite Buddies. So today we're going to do a simple vegetable Maggi recipe. I know Maggi is a favorite dish in most of the households, and a lot of people do in different ways. There are different ways to do a Maggi, but I prefer the simple vegetable Maggi where I'm just going to use tomato and onion and coriander. So once you taste this Maggi, I'm sure that you like it so much, and it wouldn't really look like a Maggi. Without wasting much time, let's quickly dive in and see what exactly we need for doing this a simple vegetable Maggi recipe. So we might need a couple of packets of Maggi, two chopped tomatoes and onion, a little bit of coriander leaves and butter. And towards the end, I'm also going to splash in a little bit of ghee into this to add that extra flavor. So let's start doing this. Okay, so let's first put in little butter. Okay, once the butter is melted, pour the onion. On a medium flame, let's fry the onion. So now the onion is becoming light brown. When it is light brown, let's put tomatoes. Again, cook this for about a minute until the raw smell of tomato goes away. Let's cook this on a medium flame. So when this is getting cooked, I will add a little bit of black salt. Just a little bit of black salt. Overall, this shouldn't take more than 7 to 8 minutes when you do it on a medium flame. A very simple and quick instant noodle recipe. So now I'm gonna add the Maggi masala into this. Two packets of Maggi masala. And let's toss it around for a bit. Let the flavor get settled into the vegetables. Okay, now it's blended really well. The vegetable masala is blended really well. And while this is done, I'm going to pour a little bit of water. Let's not pour a lot of water. Okay, and now let's add the Maggi as well. 2 packets of Maggi. Let's break this a bit. So now the Maggi is getting cooked almost. It's almost cooked. Keep tossing a little bit here and there. And while this is getting done, I'm going to put a couple of spoons of ghee. One spoon should be enough because we already have added butter. Let's mix it well. simultaneously add a little bit of coriander leaves. Sprinkle on top of that, and it's almost getting done now. Try this out. We can try this anytime during the day. Yeah, it's done. Okay guys, you can just taste this yummy recipe and let me know your comments, and please don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button.